Hey everybody, this is video, it looks like 312, and we are going to look at union. And union is pretty straightforward. It is all the elements in two or more sets. And the symbol, and bless the math people for doing this, it's a U. It makes complete sense. Okay. Elements are only written once in either the union or intersection. So just like before, we don't have duplicates. And it says, to make life simple, I write everything in the first set and then add anything that's in the second. So if I'm doing A union B, now that last part, that's just me. A, B, C, F. So everything in my first set, now we're doing union. Now I already have a D. I already have an E and an F, so I don't need that. Then I just need these guys. G, H, I, J. And there we go. Ta-da! Now, I usually do the count thing, but that'll get all messed up because we have these common. You could also do like that to connect those if that makes you happier. Whatever. I've now realized I've made it very messy. However you want to keep it straight. Now, so union, intersection, upside down, kind of the opposite. And one other thing that I remember is this, even if I have a brain fart, and I can't remember the word union, this is going to hold more than this one, right? Like a cup, this is an upside down cup. It's going to hold lots, so there's going to be lots of elements here, or this one, not so much. So in this one, we want to look for those common elements, which I wrote there. So D and F. There we go. Your intersection is always going to be, it could be the same size as this, but usually almost always it's going to be smaller. So union is almost always going to be the bigger of the two sets. All right, I have faith in you. I want you to pause the video and do these questions. And you know, if you're not 100% comfortable yet, there's no reason that you can't. Well, you could rewind the video and you watch the first part, or just do it in pencil or erasable pen. It's okay to make mistakes, right? That's how you learn. Right? So pause the video and do the questions and then come back. So C, intersection D. So I want everything that's in C. 1, 2, 3. And then anything new. So I already have a 2. I have a 4. I have a 6. But I don't have an 8 and a 10. Okay, so that was the new stuff. Like I said, that's how I do it. If we want to do D union C. Okay, well, I'll start with D. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I put everything that was in here. And then what's new here? Oh, the 1 is new. I already have a 2, don't need it. I need a 3. Okay, good. I already got a 4, check. I don't have a 5. I already have 6. And if you look carefully, these two sets, the order is different, but the elements are exactly the same. So they're equivalent. So here's another example where order doesn't matter. And if it makes you happier when you're doing this one to actually put the information in order, like this one is, that's completely fine. It doesn't matter. All right, now we need C union E. So 1. I'm writing out everything in C. Now, what's new in E? I already have the 1. I've got the 3. I've got the 5. But I do not have a 7, 9. So this was the new stuff. Like I said, that's just the way I like to do it. Everything in the first set and then new. That way you don't get any duplicates, right? Because otherwise, if I do 1, 2, so there is C, and then I go 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. I'm going to get duplicates in there, and you can't have that. You're never going to get duplicates in your set, so 1 has to go. 3 has to go. There you go. I guess that's an option. You could just write both of them and then cross out anything that shows up to. That's just silly. Okay, so however you want to do it, make a plan, stick to it. E union C. Okay. So this is me demonstrating the part about 2 or more sets. All right, I'm going to do it the same way. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So that was everything in E. Now I want to do C. Let's look what's new. So C is this one. I already have a 1. I don't have a 2. I already have a 3. I don't have a 4. I already have the 5. I don't have the 6. Okay, so I got this one and this one. So these are the new ones. And then let's see what else we got. I got the 2, yeah. I got the 4, yes. 6, yes. 8, not so much. All right. All right. Sorry. What happens when I do the videos at home in the summer? We got C. Oh, got to be careful. Now we're looking at intersection E. So there's C. And there's E. So what do they have in common? This is bugging me. There. I'm just going to look at the 2 green ones. All right, 1's in both. 2, nope. 3's in both. Yep. 5 is in both. And that's it. And let's look at E. Oh, sneaky question. E intersection D. Look at that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 1, 2, 5, 7, 9. Okay, I can't remember if I've shown you this. That would be your best choice of an answer, because that's the null sign. Remember, the null sign means nothing. And that's showing that there's no intersection. Sometimes the textbook will tell you that that's fine, but I don't like that because that says, I don't know what you're telling me. Are you telling me that it's an empty set, which is true? Or are you telling me, I don't know what the answer is, but I know it's a set, so I know I need the bracketing things. So much preferred, not so much that one. All right. Last little bit here. Back to our Venn diagrams. Okay, it says color and fill in the names across the top. So, intersection. Oh, I guess I could have said overlapping. That's either one is good. This can be disjoint. or remember mutually exclusive. And these ones are subsets. All right. So these words just refer to how the two circles are arranged. And if we want the union, that means everything in A and everything in B. One way to think about it is use the word or here, and use the word and here. So A is good, B is good, A and B is fine, right? So disjoint. There's A. There's B. A or B. It doesn't matter. And there we go. That's how it would look with a subset. So you're calling all of the A circle, all of the B circle. Done. Now, intersection is a little bit harder. You have to find the part that's in A and B at the same time. So we have a nice overlapping picture. It's pretty sweet. This one, now, if I gave this to you on a test and I'm being sneaky, do that, or say no intersection, right? Because if you just leave it blank, I don't know what's going on. So I do that because there's no overlap, so you can't do it. So now this one, we need to have the part that's in A and B. And specifically for this, you're just going to color in the B circle, because remember, it's a subset. So B is part of A. So this is going to be the spot where they have areas in common. All right, there's the end of the video for today. Have a lovely day.